To all Kuyang Romel Toronto viewers, we're now here at Buckner Eye Institute, and I would recommend you, if you're going for vision correction, laser eye, this is the best. High performance vision, official laser eye center for the Toronto Blue Jays. Even NBA players comes here, Toronto Raptors players. So we are here in downtown Toronto, Prince Arthur Avenue and Bedford Road, number 40, near the University of Toronto Stadium over there. See the CN Tower. Let's go for a short walk. Established 1929, Buckner Eye Institute. Okay, so please make an appointment, call the number here, and go to the website if you want more information. And thank you for watching Kuyang Romel Toronto. Please don't forget to click and subscribe and share. Buckner Eye Institute. There you go. Bye for now.